This is the newest addition to our custom farming little operation we have. This is going to be our rake and tedder tractor. It's a Ford 1910, about 32 horsepower. It's powered by a Shibaura, something like that, Japanese made, 3-cylinder diesel. This is actually one of the last Ford 1910s that was built. Has a 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. The wiring is a disaster on it. Sometimes it doesn't want to start. 10-gallon diesel fuel tank. Has a hydraulic pump on the front of the engine. The suction line, the pressure line then run to the back. Has a 12-speed transmission. The temperature gauge works, but the fuel gauge does not. Does have a ROPS anti-rollover protection device on it, which is good. None of the lights work. Does need the filters changed. When we bought it, they said it was a 2-wheel drive. Got it home. Actually, on the trailer, we realized with this valve right here that I asked about, they didn't seem to know anything about it. Just in front of the seat, that engages the 4-wheel drive. But when we were tying it down, we realized there is a drive shaft from the rear to the front axle, from the transmission to the front axle. It runs pretty sweet. Let's see, it'll either start or this relay will kick out. Yep. So we'll just jump the starter. My handy dandy starting tool here. We will just jump the starter. And gotta give it a little bit of heat, I think. Shouldn't have to. It is almost 90 degrees. But I found this really helps a lot. Give it a little bit of heat. You turn the key to the left. Runs really nice. Just have some little problems I need to take care of. Number one, the wiring. This also has the throttle to shut it off. You put it the whole way up. The other major problem we have is this. That is supposed to be oil, and that has antifreeze mixed in it to it. Now I've already changed the oil twice just to make sure it wasn't some type of residual water in there. I ran it for a long time and it was fine, but overnight somehow some of the coolant went down into the oil. So I've got to figure out whether it's a head gasket or some other type of problem. It does not have an oil cooler on it, so that is out. So we are just trying to pinpoint what exactly we have to do. But it does run, it does move, it drives really nice. Very low gears, to very slow to back up, forward. Other than that, that is the Ford 1910.